Good morning, Class 5-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with your Language Arts lesson today on Wednesday, September 8th, 2021. I hope your morning is off to a good start so far, and I hope your family is doing safe and well. We began working out of our Penguin Chick workbook yesterday, and there were a few activities that you needed to complete on pages 82 through 85. And after we're finished with checking the answers on these pages, I will explain what you need to do. We're going to do 3 pages of activities today on pages 86, 87, and 88. Okay, so please make sure you check your answers. We were working with words with ER, the sound, on page 82. For the activity, you needed to circle the word that fits each sentence. You needed to underline the letters that stand for the sound. Then you had to write the word to complete the sentence. Now we did number 1 together. Let's go through and check the rest of the answers. Number 2. The plants need water. W-A-T-E-R. Underline the ER and write water. W-A-T-E-R. Number 3. Get your pen and a sheet of, what is she writing on? Paper. P-A-P-E-R. Underline the ER and write paper. 4. We can catch fish in the river. R-I-V-E-R. Underline the ER, write river. And number 5. A group of horses is called a, we plug in the missing letters here, ER, herd. Underline the ER and write herd, H-E-R-D. There are your answers for page 82. Now let's check them on page 83. We talked about adjectives, how things look. So remember, an adjective is a word that tells how something looks. Adjectives can tell size, color, shape, or how many. The example we had said, penguins look short. For the activity, we had to write the adjective from the box that best fits each sentence. Use the clues in parentheses. We did number 1 together. Number 2. The penguins stand in a blank circle. Okay? It says to tell the shape. Round. The penguins stand in a round circle. 3. They are blank and white. Tell color. They are black and white. And number 4. The baby penguin is, tell size, small. S-M-A-L-L. There we go. Nice and easy here. Okay? Next, let's go on to page 84. Words with ER. We had to put the letters together to write a word with ER. We did number 1 together. Number 2. And looking at the pictures was a great help. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Number 3. Looking at the cat, which has long whiskers. Whiskers. Number 4. Many of you have this at home, and your mom and dads use them in the morning, right? Toaster. Toaster. I don't have a toaster, but I have a toaster oven. 5. Can you see who he is? Baker. Baker. Now, you needed to use the ER words you wrote to complete the sentences below. Number 6. I put my bread in the toaster. Toaster. I love toasted bread with butter. Do you? Number 7. My cat has long whiskers on her face. Whiskers. Whiskers. Number 8. The blank sells cookies and pies. The baker sells cookies and pies. Baker. 9. I eat dinner with my mother and father. Father. 10. I play games on the computer. I know many of you love this. Computer. Are some of you playing games on the computer right now? I hope not. When you're finished, turn the page to page 85. Okay. These were more words with ER. These were basic words, okay? So the words that we are working with here are, number 1, father, 2, over, 3, under, 4, heard, 5, water, 6, verb, 7, paper, 8, cracker, 9, offer, 10, cover, 11, germ, 12, master, 13, fern, and 14, ever. We had to sort the spelling words into 2 columns. Words that end in ER, we did one together, which was father, Father. Then we had to sort words with ER in the middle. We did one together, heard, Herd. Okay? Let's continue. Now this was really easy for you guys, I bet. So, over is the next one. Over. After over, under, Under. After under, water, Water. After water, we have paper, Paper. After paper, we have cracker, Cracker. After cracker, we have offer, Offer. After offer, we have cover, Cover. After cover, we have master, Master. Then after master, we had ever, Ever. And now I'm going to underline the ER in each word I have written. Okay. Now, words with ER in the middle, we only have 3 more. The first one is verb, Verb. Then we have germ, Germ. And finally, we have fern, Fern. And let's underline the ER in each part. There you have it. There are your answers. Now, let's look at today's activities. Page 86. We're continuing with what is an adjective. How things taste and smell. Remember, adjectives can tell how something tastes. Adjectives can also tell how something smells. Here's your thinking question. Which word tells more about how something tastes or smells? Let's look at the example sentences. The ocean smells fishy. The water tastes salty. What's our adjective? The ocean smells fishy, fishy, and the water tastes salty, salty. Now, let's take a look at the directions. Find the adjective in each sentence. The adjective tells more about the underlined word. Write the adjective. Now please listen as I read the sentences. 1. The penguins eat the tasty fish. 2. They drink the salty water. 3. The penguins like smelly seafood. 4. They smell the fresh air. 5. They love the taste of sweet squid. Let's do one together. 1. The penguins eat the tasty fish. Okay? Here's our adjective. Tasty. Okay? Now we need to write the adjective down. Tasty. It should be very easy for you to find the rest of the adjectives. When you're finished, turn to page 87. Now this activity, this is going to be a little bit more work today. Not a lot more, but a little bit more. Okay? Now, this is informative writing. Informative coming from the word information, right? That's the type of story that Penguin Chick is. It's an informative story. Now, what we are going to focus on here, the focus trait, this is elaboration. Using exact words. So when you elaborate something, you expand it, okay? You expand it by putting more information into what you are saying, into your sentences. Take a look here in the box. Without exact words. In Antarctica, there is nothing to build a nest with. The reason nothing is underlined is because, well, we don't know. That could be anything. We need more specific information. We need elaboration. Now, look at it with exact words. In Antarctica, there are no twigs, leaves, grass, or mud to build a nest with. Because we have used exact words, such as no twigs, leaves, grass, or mud, we were able to elaborate on this sentence. Okay, it's a nice way to say expand. I like elaboration as a bonus spelling word. All right, Now, for this activity, if you need to refer to the story, that's fine. No problem. Part A. Read each sentence. Replace each underlined word with more exact words. Let's look at number 1. I'm going to read each one. The egg stays comfortable in the brood patch. That's without exact words. With exact words. The egg stays blank in the brood patch. 2. The penguin fathers are together in a group. That's without exact words. With exact words, the penguin fathers blank together in a group. For the next part, it says to work with a partner. You can just ignore that. We basically need to brainstorm exact words to replace the underlined words in the sentence. So you're going to need to look at it without exact words. For example, number 3, with his mouth, the penguin father puts the egg onto his feet. You need to use more exact words here. Replace mouth, replace puts, replace feet. Number 4, after the chick comes out of the egg, its wet feathers change. Now remember, you can go back and refer to the story to help you with this activity. I'm going to show you how. Let's look at number 1 together again. Without exact words, the egg stays comfortable in the brood patch. Okay? Well, here we go. I'm on page 214. Okay? So, to use with exact words, the egg will be as snug and warm there as if it were in a sleeping bag. Okay. The egg stays snug and warm. In the brood patch. So snug and warm, they elaborate on comfortable. You can be comfortable, but you need to give more information. Snug is a great way to expand on comfortable. And when you're comfortable when it's cold, you also stay very warm. Okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to take a look at one more example that I'm going to do here, and then you'll do the other 2 on your own. Number 2, the penguin fathers are together in a group. All right, so I know I need to go to page 217. Back at the rookery, the penguin fathers form a group called a huddle. There we go. That's the word I need. Huddled together, which is another way to say stand close together for warmth. The penguin fathers are together in a group. The penguin fathers huddle. Huddle. Huddle together in a group. Now, you can do the other 2 on your own. And then when you're finished, look at page 88, which is the last page you'll do today. Okay, this is words with and IR and UR. Please listen as I read each one. Number 1, write X on the bigger bird. Write bird. 2, draw stripes on the shirt. Write shirt. Your stripes can be vertical or they can be horizontal, okay? 3, color the one we can burn to make light. Write burn. 4, circle the birthday cake. Write birthday. And 5, write X on Thursday and then write Thursday. Super, super simple activity, okay? I'll do number 1. Write X on the bigger bird. I know this is the bigger bird. There's my X, and now I'm going to write bird. B-I-R-D. And you can do the rest on your own. That's it for today, students. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time. Remember, if you're going to send your homework, to email it to me. Do not send it through Class Dojo. Take care, stay safe, be well, enjoy doing all of your work, and I hope to see you all very soon. Until then, study for tomorrow's spelling test. It is spelling test week number 14. Remember the bonus words that I have told you over the past week or so, and good luck. Take care. See you in tomorrow's videos. Bye-bye for now.